How to get free Instagram followers without any website. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get free Instagram followers without needing any website or complicated tools. Yep, you heard that right. This method actually works. First, let's talk about hashtags. Hashtags are a great way to simply get discovered on Instagram. Start by using relevant and popular hashtags related to your niche. This helps your post show up on more people's feed who are interested in similar content. Make sure you use a mix of broad and niche specific hashtags to increase your reach. As you can see, this profile is suggested to me with the hashtag fashion, inspo, trending, and many more. If I like this profile, I'll simply follow it. So you can simply use various hashtags so that you can get more reach. Next, engage with new accounts. Go to the explore page and interact with posts that use the same hashtags as you, just like their post, leave genuine comments, and follow people who engage with similar content. This will encourage them to check out your profile and possibly follow you back. Simply like that. You can also comment over here. Next, consistency is key. So post regularly and at the right times when your followers are most active. You can use Instagram's built-in insights to figure out when your audience is online. Posting during peak hours can get you more visibility, leading to more followers. Next, what you can do is run a giveaway or contest. Running a giveaway or contest is one of the quickest ways to boost your followers. Announce a simple giveaway where participants need to follow your account, like the post, and tag a few friends in the comments. This not only increases engagement but can quickly get you new followers. And there you have it. With these simple and effective methods, you can start growing your Instagram followers for free. No website needed.